Okay guys, welcome back to breakfast week, and this is our grand finale, Pannekoeken. Panny what? I know what you're saying. You're saying, Panny what? Well, Pannekoeken is something like a Swedish pancake or an oven pancake. It's been a fan favorite for years in my family, and I want to share it with you. And if you're already intimidated by the name of it, like I was years ago, well, guess what? It is easy. Way easier than you ever thought it could be, and I'm going to help take the intimidation factor out of it for you, okay? So to get started, oven 350, okay? And then we're going to take if you don't have a Pannekoeken pan, I used to, don't now. So we're going to take our stainless steel skillet that has a little bit of a angled side on it, and that is very, very key. That's what you want. So get your largest skillet that you have that has a slightly angled side and is oven safe to 350. 2 tablespoons of butter in the skillet, in the oven. Into our mixing bowl has gone, and you do want to do this by hand, guys, just so you can control it better, okay? 5 large eggs at room temp, okay? They fluff better that way. All right, now that you have those very, very well beaten, in goes 1 1/4 cup milk. In goes 1 teaspoon salt. You can mix that into your flour if you want to, no problem. Just make sure it's well incorporated. And in goes 1 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. Now, here's a very, very important part. So, I know you guys know what I'm going to say. Watch the video till the very end so that you can see the technique. And one of the techniques here is you want to mix this in till it's almost lump-free. You've got to really resist the urge to beat this sucker to death, okay? So it's almost lump-free. And by the way, guys, make sure you throw us a like and a comment up there. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that so that you can see all of the videos from breakfast week and every other week. Got quite a few lumps in there. I'm just going to give it a quick little whisk there. But we've still got quite a few lumps in there. Okay, we're going to check our pan and see if that is ready. Ready? Coming out. Now, you see that? That butter's melted. I'm going to roll it around the skillet just like that and pour the excess into that batter. Okay, there we go. Our buttered skillet is ready to go. And we're just going to whisk in that butter into our pancake. Okay, and now into our skillet goes the batter. Into our hot skillet, remember that's a hot skillet. Okay, into the oven it goes. And remember, guys, because I've almost done this so many times, remember that that skillet is hot. So at this point in time, put that oven mitt back on your hand before you grab that handle of that skillet. Carefully, carefully, into the oven it goes. Remember, that's at 350, okay? In the oven. Now, we're going to set that timer and let it go for about 40 minutes. But something amazing is going to happen during that 40 minutes. Stay tuned. Out comes our Pannekoeken. Woo! Oh my goodness sakes! Look at that, you guys! Oh my word! Look how fluffy and gorgeous and golden brown perfectly. Oh my word. Guys, every time I make this, it's like a science project that I've gotten to do. It's so fun. Okay, so at that stage, it's done. you pull it out. Don't forget, this is hot, 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 hot. So keep your oven mitt handy. All right? Now, we're gonna let that rest just for a moment, and then we're gonna cut it. Look at that. Oh my goodness sakes, it's so fun. And guys, this is like, I know it probably seems odd to think of it this way, but this is like the perfect blend between a pancake and an omelet. I know, strange to wrap your mind around that, but it's just so great because of the limited amount of flour in there and the elevated amount of egg. It just does this cool thing. Look how gorgeous, you guys. Now, I'm going to show you how to very simply serve this up, and you can do it a multitude of ways, okay? You can do it with just syrup. You can do it with just a sprinkle of powdered sugar, which I'm going to show you like that. Look at this. Look at that. I always wanted a little bit more on mine. Okay? And then you can serve it with your favorite preserve. Your favorite syrup. Look how gorgeous is that. And if you're really in the mood, remember how we talked about that homemade whipped cream and how easy that is to make? Oh my word. Look at that, you guys. Okay, that top, it's got a little bit of a crispness to it, a little bit of a crunch. The inside is so fluffy and light. Yum. Oh my word, that's so good. Again, one of those things, no matter how often I make it, I'm always so delighted to have it again because I forget how good it is. So you guys got to try this, all right? Look at that. So hot, the whipped cream is melting on it. Lovely. So when you try this, shoot me up a comment. Don't forget to like it. And if you haven't already subscribed to that channel, you better do that so you don't miss out on this and all the other videos that we have done celebrating Breakfast Week and all the other wonderful videos we're uploading for you each and every week. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.